Tails, I was just online with Amy. She's got a line on those super powerful shadow crystal shards she's been hunting. Cool. But some big crazy robo-snake calling himself Lyric slithered in and snagged her. Not so cool. I was hoping you could use your scientific know-how and plucky can-do attitude to figure out where she is. First thing we need to do is figure out where she's been. You can do that? Give me 10 minutes and I'll tell you what she had for breakfast last September. I've been itching to experiment with these ancient tech we gleaned from those ruins Amy's been digging in. Who says gloomed? I just did. Hey, check it out. Amy's tablet's still broadcasting. I was able to download some videos she shot while searching for the shattered crystal shards. She was taking selfies? Sort of. Just watch. Key to location, crystal shards. Knew I could. The files are a mess from when she dropped her tablet, but I wrote a program that'll clean them up. It just might take a while. I hope you wrote a program that'll clean up Styx because she's gonna be a mess when you tell her BFF is kidnapped. You mean when you tell Styx? I mean when you tell Styx. Let's settle this like gentlemen. Rock, paper, scissors? Only because there's no time for chess. 1, 2, 3. Ha! I win! My scissors rock! have beaten you at chess. Don't get lost in the jungle looking for Styx Burrow. The way she's hitting it, you think she's a railway close. That's a nice way to put it. Yeah! Styx, I've got some good news and some bad news. Bad news? You mean like the world peace and the end to hunger and the universal healthcare? Universal healthcare. Well, that would essentially be good news. Not if it was an actually hot like Ladybug Overlords to launch the completely so they could eat our brains. Ladybug Overlords? Yeah, Ladybug Overlords. Right. Then here's the bad news. An evil rattlesnake named Lyric nabbed Amy and we don't know where she is. That's great news! It is? Yeah, evil snakes make way better boots than evil ladybugs, and Amy loves boots! I'm coming, Amy! Styx, wait! Styx, you can't just go running into danger without a plan, a direction, or a clue. Why not? Because that's what I do. Plans are for the weak, and impulsive, hysterical actions what's gonna save Amy. Do you even know where to look? Follow the trail of broken lyric box and we can't go wrong. I don't see any broken lyric box. Me neither. That's why I'm gonna make some. Now we're talking sense. There's no time to talk sense. I gotta rescue Amy. Stop, wait. My boomerang's stuck inside one of those stupid robots. I can help you get it out. It's really jammed in his road guts. Or is it gears? Is that a medical term? Whoa, it's really in there. Or you can pull it out yourself. No! We'll do it together. Teamwork. It's the only way we're going to save Amy. Speaking of Amy, I deciphered another one of her logs. Another clue. On my way to Scrapyard. Meet up with Knuckles. Group hug for me, myself, and I. Next stop, the Scrapyard to find Knuckles and see what he knows about Amy. Hey, Styx, why is your boomerang gooey? You know, Styx, I think the three of us would make a pretty good team. I hear there's no I in teamwork. That's right. Then how does it see? I mean, if Teamwork doesn't have an eye, then it's blind, right? How are we gonna find Knuckles without any eyes? Oh, 2 eyes! That's plenty enough to find Knuckles. Let's go. What just happened? Teamwork! I think that's what just happened. Let's go find Knuckles. You guys really kicked some rope, but I blinked the fence, but I told Amy I would wait right here to help her dig around for some ancient junk and do some heavy lifting. Yeah, well, she just sees me as a piece of meat. Which is awesome! But Amy's been... Anyway, while I was waiting for Amy's, these robots showed up, so of course I trashed them. But now I wonder where Amy's been kidnapped then! Kidnapped? Why are you just sitting around yapping? Don't bore me with the details. Just point me in the right direction and show me who to hit. It's whom to hit, Knuckles. And according to the latest file I recovered, she was data mining in the cannon, or waiting for a dying companion. The signal was pretty bad. Then let's go there and hit some whom. Good plan. I recovered some more files from Amy's logs. How can you do something that complicated while you're busy trashing robots? Well, you know, multitasking. I also balanced my checkbook, invented a car that can go on the Earl and half a jar of kosher pickles, and came up with a recipe of an organic crochet that can go on and knock your socks off. I trashed the robots. That's very nice too, Knuckles. Let's hear what Amy has to say. Amazing discovery. Crystal Shard. Just the beginning. Unlimited power. Looks like she was broadcasting from the other side of this canyon. A canyon full of death traps and enemies? You had me at a canyon full of death traps and enemies. Glad we're all on the same page. Hello, Shadow. I've seen you came out of the shadows. There are no shadows. It's a joke. Your name is Shadow, hiding in the shadows. Get it? It's funny. Hold on. You are talking like a robot. Wait, now I'm talking like a robot. You will fail. How do you know? Wait, how do you know what I'm doing? Do you know where Amy is? Your destruction is inevitable. You will not stop us. Challenge accepted.
Hey, he's coming around. Should we knock him out again? No, Knuckles. We need to talk to him. What's going on? That's what we want to know. Why'd you attack us? Where's Amy? Back off. You're more annoying than usual. None of this is making sense. This thing I remember, I was talking to...
Oh, wow. What a surprise.
Who this sneaker with the gold with the rotten red dial?
I don't work for anyone. What is this?
This thing's scrapped now, but it's clearly some advanced tech. Like a mini neural bypass switch.
English, please.
Mind control device.
Oh.
Valuable asset. Damaged my device. Lyric. Where's Amy, you say? For a moment, we're having the most delightful conversation. Why don't you come here and face me? I'm peeling back the layers of Amy's brain like a rotten onion. Once she leads me to the crystal fragments, I'll have the power of a god, and I'll grind you all under my heel.
You don't have a heel, you're a snake.
Hunt him down and make him pay for
Whoa, I've seen a lot of ancient cities in my life, but this one beats them all. How many ancient cities have you seen? 12. Wow, surprisingly normal response. Which one was your favorite? Why do you want to know? Are you writing an unauthorized biography about me? There's the sticks I know and love. This place feels like a distant past slammed into the far future, all wrapped up in an incredible present. Feel free to put that in your biography you're writing. Since we haven't found a clue for a while, it feels more like a dead end. No way. I'm sure Amy left another clue. I can't think of anybody else who's even comes close to her powers or smartness. No one? Not even close? Nope. Everyone else here seems totally stupid next to Amy. Really? Well, I guess I'll just find another clue to prove you wrong. Technically, it would prove how smart Amy is since she left it. If I can just fix this next video log of Amy's, we can figure out why she was here. I'm not really big on fixing stuff. Is there anything you need me to break? Not now. Maybe later. Because that's kind of my specialty. You want something broken, right? Just ask Knuckles. That's what they say. Literally, that's the first time I've ever heard that. Anybody say that. So, you need something broken? Besides my concentration, you mean? No, the signal source, stronger down, find a way. Sounds like Amy was tracking a signal. Bet if I can stand all the open frequencies I could. Bingo! There it is! The signal's coming from underground. We're practically standing on it! Lucky break! Amy came through again. Finding her should be a snap. A snap? She could be anywhere. This is like the biggest robot factory I've ever seen. Lyric's assembling an army to do his dirty work. Dirty work? You mean like doing the laundry and cleaning rain gutters and slopping the hogs? Doing the laundry, cleaning the rain gutters, does Lyric's evil know no limits? I mean that finding Amy in this place is gonna take a lot of effort. Problem, Sonic? Afraid you're gonna get your hands dirty? No, my point is we're gonna have to disassemble these robots faster than the factory can assemble them. Faster is my little name. Yeah, my little name is faster than you. What's your first name? Not Halfburn. It looks like this control terminal is being controlled remotely from 10,000 feet above the ground. Bet that's what Lyric's hiding. Fascinating. Okay, sir, thanks a lot. Any other info you need from that gizmo? No, I got what we need. Then stand back and let me show you why I'm called Knuckles. Because you have those pointy knuckle things on your gloves? Huh? Oh, I get it. You know what? That makes more sense. I thought it was because I smashed stuff, but then they'll call me Smashels. Smashels, not Knuckles. Smashels. Okay. Smashels, when you're done smashing that terminal, I got something else you can try and smash. Cool. What is it? Not what? Who? It's Metal Sonic, and he's coming in fast. What's he doing here? There's only one person who could be behind Metal Sonic's appearance, and without naming names, he has a really stupid mustache. Metal Sonic, protect the factory and eliminate Sonic and his friends. Anybody seen which way Metal Sonic went? Yeah, he took off towards that volcano. Speaking of which, is anybody else feeling hot? Is anybody else feeling lost? Is anybody else wishing that they brought more peanut butter? Yes, and you read my mind. Well, maybe if you wore the tinfoil hat I gave you, that would have happened. Come on, guys, focus. There'll be time for peanut butter and tinfoil hats later. Right now, let's get Metal Sonic. He can lead us to Amy and that snake Lyric. Right, but I'm holding you to the peanut butter and tinfoil hat promise. Okay, it's official. We're lost. Who knew volcanic caverns could be so complicated? We could be here for a while. This isn't how I thought I'd go out. I thought I would go out in a big ball of fire. This is a volcano. It's basically a big ball of fire inside a mountain. Really? Oh well, then this is exactly how I thought I would go out. Sweet, called it. Listen, guys, I know we lost Metal Sonic and things look bad, but we'll get out of this. We always do. How? Okay, so far. Hold on, guys. The algorithm is just finishing up the decryption of another file. Ancient's plane, volcano, hidden, advanced tech. Is she saying the ancients had a plane? A whole handful of ancient vehicles is right here in the volcano. If we can get it, we can blow this joint. Before this joint blows! Ah! Ah! That hedgehog has more life than a cat, and now he's standing right outside my door. Here's what's gonna happen next. First, Sonic will kick down your door, and then he's gonna kick your reptilian butt. Or maybe he'll set me free first, so I can kick your butt. I'm a snake. Snakes don't have butts. Then he'll kick your tail. I'll be happy to give him the opportunity, but then you can just watch as I squeeze the life out of him with my tail. Yeah, I don't think so. Once I finish ripping the translation out of your tiny mind and translate the manuscript, I won't care what you think. But for now, think of the translation! I'm thinking there's enough of your tail to make a nice purse, pair of boots, a handbag, and maybe a belt. If you're lucky, I'll let you wear chains when this is over. Robots, neutralize intruders. Sonic, you're surprisingly small to be able to cause me so much trouble. Size isn't everything. Totally. And I only say that because I'm bigger than the rest of my friends. Well, I'm smarter than the rest of my friends. And I'm more of a paranoid loose cannon with a harder go than the rest of my friends. Deal with it. That's your point. The point is, when we work together as a single unit, we're unbeatable. That's our secret. Killing anybody. Well then, I'll just have to shatter that single unit into tiny pieces. And if you didn't understand that metaphor, I mean I'm gonna beat you and your friends into paste, then continue on to do the same to your world.
Survived all these eons to be defeated by inferiors like you. After this weapon turns you meddlers into abstract art, I'll gather the crystal fragments and build my empire. I said I'd find you. Does it matter who did it as long as it's done?
We all couldn't kick him off the airship, Amy. And you know why? No. Why? Because we're a team. We got beaten to the punch, or in this case, the kick as a team. We can raise our heads proudly, knowing that we traveled all this way just to watch somebody else finish the job. While we walk down the streets and people whisper, those are the ones who couldn't quite save the day. Almost, but not quite. Smile together because we didn't do it as a team. I finally understand teamwork, and it's beautiful.
That was pathetic. Styx may have taken the long way to get to the point, but she's right. We beat Lyric together as a team, and I'm leaving alone as your superior. Too bad that guy's such a hard case. He'd be a great addition to Team Sonic. You mean Team Knuckles? Team Sonic. Team Knuckles.
Guys?
Team Sonic